Your flooring sets the tone for your entire home. In fact, many times it's people's first impression of your house. And laminate can look natural and beautiful if it's taken care of properly. In today's video, you're gonna learn how to clean laminate flooring like a pro. We'll go over some of the do's and don'ts, and by the end of the video, you will have all the knowledge you need to keep your laminate flooring looking brand new and beautiful. Let me start by saying you're gonna wanna sweep your floors weekly. This is a general rule of thumb, and it's gonna make your life so much easier when you do go to deep clean your flooring. Use a soft bristled broom and remove any of that dust or pet hair that tend to get stuck and forgotten about in those nooks and crannies of your baseboards. And a quick pro tip now that we're talking about baseboards is to get a dryer sheet and rub it along your baseboards, and it will just collect all of that pet hair and dust so effortlessly. So try this out next time you're cleaning your flooring and your baseboards will look amazing. But let's get back to the laminate. Laminate doesn't like heat or moisture too much, so since we're trying to keep that at a minimum, I recommend using a spray mop. It'll do great with cleaning your laminate without soaking it or getting it too hot, of course. But the secret sauce here is the cleaning solution that you use. So let me share with you a cleaning solution recipe that is perfect for cleaning laminate flooring. You're first gonna want to use a half cup of rubbing alcohol. This, of course, is a disinfectant, meaning it's gonna clean your floors, and it's also a drying agent, meaning your floors are going to dry faster. Then you're gonna want to get some Meyer's cleaning concentrate. This all-purpose cleaner works great on laminate flooring and doesn't leave any residue at all. This is also the stuff that's gonna make your floors smell good. So go ahead and put a cap's worth of that in your solution and fill the remaining space in the bottle up with water. Now you have an effective and harmless cleaning solution fit for a pro. So now that your floor is free of dust, debris, and hair, and you also have your cleaning solution made, it's finally time to mop. Spray your cleaning solution on your flooring and be sure to go over with your mop in the direction of the grain. Repeat that process throughout your home and your laminate flooring will look beautiful. But real quick, let me tell you about the don'ts of cleaning laminate flooring. For starters, never use any type of wax or polish on your laminate flooring. It'll look great at first, but over time and with continual use, it will leave the finish of your flooring looking absolutely awful. Laminate already has a natural shine of its own when it's kept clean, so just stay on top of cleaning it and you'll be fine. Next, like I briefly talked about before, do not ever use heat or too much moisture when cleaning your laminate. This will lead to warping and swelling of your planks, meaning your floors will literally be ruined. And lastly, do not ever use bleach. Bleach on your laminate flooring is going to break down the layer that gives your floor its beautiful look and shine. Instead, just use the cleaning solution we talked about in today's video and you'll be all set. And just like that, you now know how to clean laminate flooring like a pro with all the do's and don'ts and even some tips and tricks. Thanks for watching today's video. Please drop a like and subscribe and comment below what you want to see next.